Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about a modern and innovative web browser that is also fast, elegant and full of tools to transform the way you work online. A browser called Arc browser, which has been available for a long time on macOS and is now officially available, and you can use it on your Windows. To get the browser, through Google search, enter Arc browser, and from the search results, enter the official page of the browser. Arc browser is designed for users who value organization, creativity and privacy. The browser was initially launched in 2022 and is currently available for Windows. Unlike traditional browsers, Arc focuses on creating a workspace for modern internet users rather than just being a tool for accessing web pages. The browser was developed by the Browser Company, a team of designers and engineers focused on rethinking the browsing experience from the ground up. Their mission is to create tools that empower creativity and enhance productivity online. Click Download Arc for Windows to get the browser. And after the download is complete, click on the setup file to start the installation process. After completion, the Arc browser will start working, and to start the setup, it will require you to have an account on Arc, enter your data, and create an account for yourself. In this step, you can import your bookmarks, important tabs, and also your passwords on the browser you use. Select the browser you want to import from, and click Next to continue. It has AI to make use easier and faster. Enable it. You can make Arc the default browser, select that option according to your preference, and finally click Get Started to start the browser. When you open Arc browser for the first time, the interface looks elegant and clean, completely different from traditional browsers, such as Chrome or Firefox. The home page is uncluttered, giving a feeling of focus and simplicity. The sidebar immediately catches the eye, replacing the traditional top navigation bar for tabs. It looks innovative, and the address bar is tucked into the sidebar, which is unusual at first, but contributes to the simple appearance of the browser. Click Search or enter URL at the top, and a window will pop up, where you can enter the address of the page you want to open. The highlight of Arc browser is that it displays tabs vertically on the left sidebar, which is a refreshing departure from the traditional horizontal layout. It may take some getting used to, but it's intuitive once you start exploring. You can open a new tab from the left, not from the top, unlike traditional browsers that we use, and you also enter the address in a window that appears, which gives a good impression. Another feature is the split view feature in the Arc browser, which displays two tabs and works on them side by side within the same browser window, whether you're comparing documents, working on a project, or browsing two websites at the same time. The split screen design is smooth, with adjustable panels to customize the space that each tab occupies. This feature eliminates the need to switch between tabs or open multiple browser windows, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Here also in the left corner is the archive icon, where you can view and manage the archive. We also have a new feature called New Space, which creates separate, customizable workspaces within the browser. Each space acts as an independent environment, where you can organize tabs, tools, and projects without interfering with other spaces. For example, you can create a work space for productivity, and a personal space for entertainment. This feature enhances organization and focus, making it easy to switch between tasks while keeping everything neatly separated. You can access Arc browser settings by clicking on the browser icon from the top left and selecting Settings. The most important features of Arc browser settings are customization options, shortcut configuration, synchronization, accounts, adjusting memory usage, and enabling experimental features to improve browser performance. I will explain these settings in another video. You can also add extensions and tools like other browsers. Click on the browser icon and select Extensions, then Add Extensions. The Chrome Web Store will open, and you can find any extension you want and add it to make it easier for you to work. In conclusion, I highly recommend trying this browser. It's modern, innovative, and packed with features that can transform the way you work online. I hope you find it useful, and that you get a glimpse into why Arc is truly a game changer when it comes to productivity and browsing. I promise to delve into each feature in future videos, explaining them step by step, to help you get the most out of this browser. I didn't do a full explanation of all the features of the browser, but I just took a brief overview, and the main goal was to introduce you to the browser, and how to install it on Windows. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, and share it with friends, or colleagues who might find it useful. Your support means a lot to me, and helps me continue to create content like this. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.